Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a smooth scrolling timeline animation in CapCut for PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to create a smooth scrolling timeline animation in CapCut for PC, you have to follow these steps. First, add a simple text layer to your project. This text layer will contain all the years you want to show in your scrolling timeline. Go to the text panel, add a text layer, and start by typing the first year you need. In this example, the timeline starts at 1900, but you can enter any year that fits your project. After typing the first year, press the Enter key on your keyboard and continue adding each year on a new line until you reach the final year in your timeline. Once all the years are written, increase the text size and choose a font that fits your video style. After you're happy with the look of the text, it's time to animate it using keyframes. Move the playhead to the very beginning of the text layer. On the right side of CapCut, find the Position option and click the small diamond icon to add a keyframe. Now, reposition the text so that the first year, such as 1900, sits perfectly in the center of the frame. Next, move the playhead to the very end of the text layer and adjust the position so that the last year, for example 2026, is centered in the frame. This creates the basic scrolling motion from start to finish. Now comes the smoothing part of the animation. Right-click on the text layer and select Show Variable Speed Animation. Expand the Y position by clicking the small arrow next to it. Go to the first keyframe on the left, right-click on that one, and choose the Rebound Out option. Then, click on the white handle until the blue line appears, then drag it so it's horizontal and perfectly aligned with the keyframe. Repeat the same process for the last keyframe by dragging its blue handle to the left and aligning it so both blue lines sit directly above each other. This step removes the harsh motion and gives you a smooth, consistent scrolling effect. Once the animation looks smooth, right-click on the text layer again and select Create Compound Clip. This helps keep everything organized and makes the next step easier. After that, select the compound clip, make sure the Video tab is active on the right, and then choose Mask. Then click on Add Mask and select Rectangle. Position the mask over the first year so only that part of the timeline is visible. To soften the edges, adjust the feather value to somewhere between 15 and 25, depending on what looks best for your project. After setting the mask, play the video to preview the final result. You should now see a clean, smooth scrolling timeline animation that looks professional and polished. And that's it. So that is how you can create a smooth scrolling timeline animation in CapCut for PC. So that's all for this video. Thanks.